Industrial Technology. We cover the programs that are more the applied technology side. They include information technology, electrical engineering, survey technology, technical studies, which is a variety of areas, and working on a new program in actual applied technology for like the mining and energy sector as well. Students like to do technology programs because they're more of a hands-on oriented person. They like to work in fields that utilize equipment, work with their hands or work outdoors. Technical in nature. A lot of them are creative type designers. They like to get in and work on things. The fields have a lot of flexibility as far as broad range jobs. In IT, we go from the spectrum of computer repair to graphics design, web design, network administrator. Surveying goes from Rodman Transit all the way up to licensed surveyor if they want to go through that entire curriculum. Electrical has a broad field of motors, mining electrician, electrical area, all of those. Information technology has a very set curriculum that in itself, however, is very flexible. We start off with the students doing the core curriculum that includes everybody does A+ certifications curriculum, Net+ certification curriculum, a variety of other courses that are designed to help them use the computer, help others to use the computer, and then they get to specialize in an area. They can do web design, networking, infrastructure, any of those areas. The survey technology is a very set curriculum. We're one of 2 programs in the state that is allowed to do the survey associate degree. So in that, we have all the requirements that it would take that meet state code and allow them to do survey. We also cover state-of-the-art technology. They work on GPS systems, they work on hand systems, they work on total stations, all of the state-of-the-art, all new equipment. We have a great partnership with business and industry that allows us to bring in a variety of equipment, work through that, so they get everything that they could ever want to as far as the surveying purpose. Electrical engineering starts out with the core concepts that everybody will do: AC, DC motors, circuits, and power systems. Then we get into, again, they get to choose specializations. We try to rotate what we're offering. Right now we're doing a series with electric controls and PLCs, programmable logic control units, and then we try to rotate that through some communication, some analog, depending upon what more the needs are. So they get a variety of areas covered in the electric program. All of the programs in applied and technical areas are open entry programs. They do start on the fall for electrical and surveying, so students really aren't enrolled in the program until a specific fall semester. They are math-based, so while it's not a requirement to get in, there are certain math prerequisites that they have to have in order to take some of the courses. So the biggest thing students can work on in wanting to get into those programs is to make sure they have the college level math ready, get English and anything else out of the way that they can as far as math goes. That's the biggest issue. Students in high school to prepare for any of these programs should work on a college curriculum, the college prep curriculum as they go through. Math is going to be a key component. There are some of the vocational programs, depending upon the county that they're in, that can translate easy into several of the programs, especially with technical studies. In technical studies, we take 28 hours worth of credit for those from the high school. So it's really going to vary based on the program as to what students should work on, but the key component is going to be the math that they take in high schools. We have a very high placement rate on our graduates that are actively seeking jobs. In surveying, all of our students that wanted a job prior at the end of their first year were employed. Some chose to wait until after they graduate to become employed, but others are getting jobs right after the first year of the program. They have enough skills that the surveying companies are snatching them up and working with them. Surveying only runs 2 days a week for lectures, and then that gives them 3 days a week to work. So we're having great success with our surveying graduates as they go through. Our electrical engineering program has a high success rate of jobs for those that actively seek. We have the program set up. Every one of the programs in applied and industrial technology is set up that a student could go 2 days a week for the core courses. They may have to go extra days or evenings for the support courses, but all of the programs are set up for a 2-day-a-week schedule. So that allows the students to work for 3 days and go to classes for 2 days.